Hello guys! Welcome back to a new episode of Happy and Healthy Life Recipes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our videos. Today I'll make a very healthy and tasty snack recipe, that is Maggi Bhel Chaat. So let's start the recipe. For this recipe, I'm taking 2 packets of Maggi noodles and crush them into small pieces. You can use any instant noodles for this recipe. Next, in a heated pan, I'm adding the crushed noodles and start dry roasting them. There is no need of any oil or butter. The noodles are now well roasted, so I am turning off the heat. After that, I am taking 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup and 1 packet of Maggi Masala. Now mixing them. Our chaat sauce is ready. Now in a bowl, I am taking some chopped onion, tomatoes, capsicum, boiled corn, chopped chilies, coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, half lemon juice, the sauce I have made, and some peanuts. Now crushing some black pepper and mix them. It's time to add the roasted noodles. Again, giving it a good mix. To make the chaat more chatpata, I am adding 1 teaspoon chaat masala and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mixing them well. Our Maggi Bhel Chaat is ready. It's a perfect snack for any time. I'm garnishing it with some BHUJIA and coriander leaves. I'm also adding a bowl of tomato ketchup. Guys, hope you like the recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our recipes. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.